Welcome to Minute Profinet, the first in our three-part series on industry foresight. TSN is a collection of IEEE 802.1 standards focused on synchronization, low latency, high availability, and robustness. If any of these sounds familiar, it's probably because similar concepts have been used in Profinet IRT for a very long time, and in fact adopted from it. But now that other industries are interested in standardized deterministic Ethernet, the required hardware will become widely available. And since Profinet is based on standard Ethernet, it leverages these benefits for free. So why do this, if already available in IRT? Well, the answer lies in robustness and future-proofing. As manufacturers gather ever more amounts of data from their factories, our vision for Industry 4.0 embraces multiple protocols sharing a common infrastructure. And with more protocols comes more network traffic. TSN ensures time-critical data gets transferred together with best effort traffic. It becomes the common basis for in-machine control and machine-to-machine control. And then use the right protocol for the right task.